Okay, so here we are at Maxwell Village, and I'm going to show you the Schyler floor plan. And I'm sorry that this one is not a fully finished floor plan. However, hopefully you'll get a good enough feel from this video to at least want to inquire more. So the Schyler is a very flexible floor plan. It can either be a ranch with all the living space on the one floor, or it can have a second ensuite on the second floor, which you can see the dormer above the garage door, and that's where that second ensuite, if someone decided to make the Schyler with a second floor. So Schyler can be a ranch or it can be a first floor master. All right, let's take a look inside. And before we go in, I'll just give you a streetscape here of Maxwell Village so you can kind of see the outside, what they look like with the walkway, pavers, blacktop driveway, landscaping, and full maintenance package. They take care of the snow and the grass for you at $147 per month, a tremendous value. So yeah, let's go inside. Okay, we're inside here at the Schyler floor plan, and you can see that they have the French doors on this one, and this room is being used as an office. There is another option with this floor plan to make this into a bedroom, in which case it would have a closet, another door. And then let's spin around, I'll show you the foyer here. We actually got a couple gentlemen working. Caught them working, as we say. The kitchen, which is going in now. Again, this is going to be someone's individual choices. And that will have the quartz or granite top. Again, the wide open dining and family room, which is a little difficult to tell now with the cardboard protecting the floor. That's a gas fireplace. This one also has a backyard area, but a little bit smaller than the other ones. Various sizes on the back. I'll spin you around now. You can see just how big the living space is in this Schyler, and then you can see the staircase going up. So, as I had mentioned before, this floor plan can have the bedroom on the first only or that second floor. So master suite here, huge. Very large master suite. This one is 18 by 15, so enormous. And then you'll see the double vanity, the tile shower, and then the commode area. So when the Schyler is a ranch, there will be another full bath. This is the walk-in closet. I'll swing around and show you that now. Come around the corner here. You've got the two-car garage, as I mentioned, in each one. Comes with building equipment as well. Closet. The half bath, which again would be a full bath if this were the ranch. And this one just has, I'm trying to give you a peek, a washer dryer closet in the Schyler. Can be a room with modification. And because this one has the second floor, we'll go ahead and show you that. They've got the plastic protecting the oak treads, which are an upgrade, 21 to 2,500 typically. Large ensuite in this one, so this bedroom roughly 15 by 16, which is very large for an ensuite bedroom. And then it's got its own full bath and extra large walk-in closet. A little dark to see, but yeah, so this is the Schyler, which can be Schyler 1 ranch, Schyler 2 first floor master.